This is a Kenmore model 1318. This is an all-metal machine, but it's very lightweight. It has a 1-amp motor. It is very simple and easy to use. It has 6 built-in stitches, including straight and zigzag stretch. Has variable stitch length, reverse, and feed dog drop. It uses class 15 bobbins. It has the buttonhole drive arm, so you will need the adapter plate with a buttonholer. I do not have the buttonholer to include at this time. It uses standard low shank screw-on feet and attachments, 15x1 needles. Both bobbins and needles can be found anywhere as easy as Walmart. Walmart does carry the correct bobbins and needles for this machine. It does come with a little box of goodies, which includes a zipper foot, a roller foot, a button sewing foot, a hemmer foot, a seam guide, a quilting guide, a straight stitch foot, a brush, and a double needle. And this machine is double needle capable. And here we go. I'm going to sew some things for you. Like I said, it is all metal. It's 1 amp. Doesn't have to be much more than 1 amp because there's not a lot to drive. It doesn't have a cam mechanism or anything. So a 1 amp motor is very, very sufficient to drive this machine's mechanisms. We're going to start with just a basic straight stitch. Very nice cosmetic condition. It's tabletop ready, or can be put in a Kenmore cabinet or carrying case. And sometimes I have the carrying cases available in other listings. You might want to check my other listings to see, because the Kenmores do have a longer deck and it's square, whereas Singers, Whites, dressmakers, and other machines have the rounded corners, and they are over 1 inch shorter than a Kenmore like this. I believe this one has the 16 3/4 inch deck. I don't have a measuring tape. I'll put that in the listing. Let's do a zigzag. Nice, quiet, stout machine. Does a perfect stitch. Not a lot of tension issues. Let's switch over to stretch. See the fabric working up and back. Now the only stretch patterns that it performs is straight and zigzag. It also does blind stitch, multi-point zigzag. And this is the multi-point. As you can see, it's very nice, very quiet, and it makes a very nice looking stitch. Alright. Go back around to a regular stitch, and we'll do some heavy duty stuff. This is 6 layers of denim. Using a size 16 needle. This machine will use up to an 18, and actually I could have adjusted my tension just a little more on that. There's 6 layers of denim. This is 8 layers of a woven upholstery, kind of a coarsely woven fabric. Very nice work on there. And 3 layers of garment leather. Nothing thick, not a knife sheath, not a saddle. Just garment leather. Of course, the roller foot that's included will work nicely on a sticky fabric like leather, or you can invest in an even feed foot. And what an even feed foot does is just what it says. It feeds the fabric evenly under the needle. This is 2 layers of very, very delicate chiffon. It's almost see-through. Just so you know that you don't necessarily have to be sewing cowhide, but this machine will do just as nicely on a delicate. And this is a very nice beginner machine. I mean, if you don't have a lot of experience, you don't need a lot of bells and whistles. You don't need a lot of designs. This is a very nice beginner's machine. It's very, very easy to use. It's pretty cut and dry. Nice stitches on the delicate. And that, once again, is the Kenmore Model 1318.